Hi, I'm Bethany, and that's Drew.
We're in San Diego today to explore a structure that would seem to defy all logic. It breaks the rules of gravity, and it's certainly hard to miss.
This art installation appears to have fallen directly from the sky, landed onto a building, and into the heart of this fine city.
It's Do Ho Suh's Fallen Star, coming up on Oddity Odysseys. And there it is. From pictures online, it looks like this house came right out of The Wizard of Oz or something. Like Dorothy just landed on the Wicked Witch of the whatever. Except it's on a rooftop.
Fallen Star is closed to the public.
Right, needs special permission to get in, which we have secured, if we can figure out where we're going. This is a dead end.
Fallen Star sits high atop the Jacobs School of Engineering on the campus of the University of California, San Diego. So we're on the UCSD campus making our way toward the Fallen Star house.
Yeah, I wish I could have seen this when they were putting it up there in 2012.
I know. Although it looks like Fallen Star simply fell from the sky and onto the building, a lot of work and dedication went into making Do Ho Suh's work and vision come to life right here on Jacobs Hall. I think oh my gosh, there it is.
Oh, you see it? You see it. I see it.
The house is falling, guys. The Fallen Star has fallen. All right, guess we gotta go up and take a closer look now. Do Ho Suh is a Korean sculptor and installation artist who ventured to the U.S. from his native South Korea to pursue an education at the Rhode Island School of Design.
The artist, whose work explores the themes of home and defies conventional notions of scale, once mentioned that he felt as if he was dropped from the sky after arriving in the United States. He joined forces with the Stewart Collection at UCSD to bring Fallen Star to life. Boom.
That was fast.
All right.
The 7th floor.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh,
You're right, it's like right here. Oh man. Okay, I feel like I've been transported to another world.
It's falling over.
This was designed to withstand 100-mile-per-hour winds.
Oh good, I was actually really worried about coming up here if it was a super windy day.
Yeah, we are 7 stories up, and Do Ho Suh's created a whole garden here and a house.
Very homey.
Yeah, but also very out of place. I mean, if you turn around, we're connected to this huge office building. Very otherworldly.
In 2012, Do Ho Suh stood side by side with the forces behind the Stewart Collection to see the 70,000-pound Fallen Star become a permanent fixture of UCSD and a monumental feat in the art world. Okay,
Going in.
I'm already feeling, I guess, the sensation that I'm falling.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
This is amazing. And it's a very warm and cozy home, but I think like visitors feel like they're falling. I feel like I'm falling.
I might stay in the doorway for a minute.
You okay? You need a minute?
I need a minute.
So this place does feel like home. It has books, it has photos, it has furniture.
This is an amazing work of genius on so many levels. The floor plan is 15 by 18 foot, but it's tilted 5 degrees. So I don't know whether to lean this way or lean this way. The camera, however, is level. So what you're seeing is what we're experiencing here.
These photos over here are members, friends, and family of people of the Stewart Collection. And right here we have the artist himself, Do Ho Suh, right there, and his family. So there's a lot of personal touches that kind of makes it feel like you're home, but you feel like you're falling and you're a little exposed. Like if you look out the window, you can see everything. So there's a lot that kind of goes into the feeling out of your element.
Yeah, it's a very uncomfortable feeling, but comfortable at the same time.
You get a little dizzy.
Yeah, really. We're hanging over the edge of the building.
Don't tell me that, I was already nervous about
If you fell through the floor, you'd fall 7 stories. Yeah, have a seat before you fall over, please.
This is art like I've never experienced it before. The bookcase looks like it was constructed.
They cut the bottom of it at an angle so that it would sit at an angle. That's interesting.
I'm gonna move over to the couch to see how it feels sitting over here.
All right, you're moving to the couch.
Moving to the couch. Fun fact, this Fallen Star has a address. It's a fake address of 72 Blue Heron Way. But I don't think you can mail anything here. Also, if you notice, there's remote controls because the TV works. They do have lights, so at night it looks like someone's home.
I'm gonna try out the blue chair.
Looks comfortable.
Which I've heard was originally gold, and then they recovered this one, but the rest are in their original form. Everything in the house and in the courtyard is 3/4 scale to make it feel a little bit like a micro universe. It just adds that extra level of discomfort, you know? Everything's tilted pretty uniformly, but I noticed there are a couple of tells. First of all, the chandelier is actually hanging, so gravity pulls that to a straight plumb level in the midst of all of this 5-degree tilt of everything else.
It's very jarring.
Yeah.
Like it just throws you off completely. It makes you think.
Yeah, I'm gonna very carefully get up.
Fallen Star continues to impress, inspire, and influence those who see it with their own eyes. The house can be viewed from a distance or from down below.
If you're interested in seeing other oddities around California, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when we release new adventures.
Thank you for joining us today at the one and only Fallen Star. Stay safe, and we'll see you soon.
Okay, I can't. I'm looking straight down over 7 stories.
Don't
Nope.
do it. Don't do it.
Not gonna do
I
that.
made that mistake.
Not gonna do that. Let's go. I am uncomfortable. In a good way.